Hello everyone! Today I have prepared a kitchen idea for you, especially a kitchen island. But it's worth nothing that this isn't just a simple island, but one that combines with a kitchen table. So let's get started! At the beginning, you can see shaped tables. I don't know how practical this is, but it looks stylish. Another thing about shaped tables is that they take up more space. And the next ones are rectangle tables. As you can see, they are more compact. It's a good idea to have the table itself stick out and create space for chairs and comfortable sitting. As you can see, there are many ways to create an island with a table. Let me know in the comments if you like this idea. And finally, the most compact implementation idea is a pull-out table. I think it's very stylish and practical. So, thank you for attention and have a nice day!